If you need to interact with people who speak the language of statistics, then College Stats with Early Hypothesis Testing is the book for you. The first 4 chapters focus almost exclusively on the language of statistics, and the underlying concepts are brought forth using snippets from actual peer-reviewed journal articles. College Stats with Early Hypothesis Testing is also chock full of answered multiple-choice questions, which will make sure you can really talk the stats talk and also understand peer-reviewed journal articles. The math doesn't really begin until Chapter 5, and that's where all the details are filled in. But they are filled in the context of hypothesis testing, which really is the primary use of statistics. Written by a professor at a large urban community college, the book is designed for students who may need a gentle introduction into the math, but for whom genuine facility with the subject matter of college-level statistics is necessary. If you are ABD in a social sciences discipline and your thesis is holding you back, this book might be just what you need to give you the foundation that you need to move forward. College Stats with Early Hypothesis Testing by Jordan L. Noose, published by Elliptic Publishing and available on Amazon.com.